How to get profile effects on Discord. For that, first of all, open any browser you have on your device, then on the searching bar, search for Discord and make sure that you have logged into your account. Now at the bottom you will see setting gear icon, simply hit on that. From here there you will see profile on the left, tap on it. Now scroll down a little bit, there you will see profile effect and change effect option. Simply hit on that to change it. But to change your profile effect, you have to purchase Nitro. So if you haven't purchased Nitro, then simply hit on the Get Nitro. Then your purchase process will begin. Then once you purchase your Nitro, you can easily change your profile effect. In this way, you can easily get profile effects on Discord. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching.